All right, we're out here at our farm. Product we're going to talk about today is a ATI Excavator skid steer adapter. Now we purchased this for our own use a while back, and when Hunter Works Outdoors got a little further along, I checked in and decided to become a dealer because we like this product so well. It is essentially converts a excavator to a skid steer attachment. You run it on with a quick attach here, and then you scoop up your implement just like you would your skid steer, and it has handles that locks it in place. Now what we use it for is this set of forks, which you don't have a lot of capacity with the excavator and the forks, but in the background here is our sawmill shed. And we've got these 24-foot beams that I set up there. I was working by myself, set the beams up there with it, and all the 2x12 rafters. Once again, I was working by myself, and it was just an extra tool. When I got ready to do fascia board, I even picked up a single 2x6 and set it up there and got up on the ladder because I was working by myself. So the forks for us is one use. Another use that we do not have any video pictures of is our auger that originally is for a skid steer that's behind us here. We were building a bridge and we needed to reach over into the creek and dig some holes with the auger. Our favorite use for this is our Danuser Hammer. I'll get Hunter to put in a picture right here of it attached to the excavator with the ATI adapter. He and I put in 90 fence posts one day with this hammer, 6x6s in 7 hours. We drove 20-foot pylons with it attached to this in that creek, and probably the picture you just saw is us over the creek. It's pretty comical the way we did it. But nonetheless, it's a heavy-duty adapter. Hunter Works approved. I would not sell it if I didn't believe it was the best on the market. It's kind of our mantra in our main business, hunterworks.com, which is best on the planet. If we can find something better, we'll either build it that way or buy it. Got any questions? Hunter or I, either one, are available for questions. You can email me, Todd at hunterworks.com. You can email Hunter at hunterworks.com, and you can certainly leave comments down below or questions in the comments. Link below to go straight to the website to find them. Also, we appreciate if you subscribe and like me, and thank you very much for watching our videos.